ebe.
Look, ask me and then I'll say it. Hi guys, and welcome to this episode of Learning Igbo. And today we're going to be doing directions. So I'm here with Agonna, and my name's Angela, so we're going to get started.
Let's go. First of all, where is it?
So you say, Olebe ono.
Sweet. Olebe on. Where is it? So,
if you want to say it's in front of the house, what would you say?
Ononihu ulo.
Yes.
Because I'm out here.
Ononihu ulo. So ono is it is.
It is.
Nihu is in front.
In front of, correct.
And then ulo, it's your casa.
Is your house, your mansion, your fortress. Next one. It is next to the school.
Okay.
Oh.
So you say ono n'akuko ulo akuko.
So, onu nakuko.
Yeah, nakuko is like, next to.
Next to ulo akuko.
Yeah. So if you remember just from the one we just said, ulo is house. Then akuko, when you add akuko, ulo akuko is school.
It is behind the tree.
So ono nazu osisi.
Onu nazu osisi.
So ono is it is, nazu is like behind, and then osisi is tree.
Onu
Nazu osisi.
osisi. Onu nazu osisi. So, if you wanted to say it is there,
Yeah.
onu eba.
Yeah.
So onu,
Ono.
ono,
Yeah.
ono,
Eba.
eba.
Yeah.
So one more time.
Yeah.
So if I wanted to say where is it, I would say onu.
No. If you want to, we already done that bit. That bit's already done. So if you want to say it is there, say that bit again.
If you want to say it is there, onu ebe, onu eba.
Look, ask me and then I'll say it.
Okay. So how do I say it is there?
You're triggered.
How do I say it is there?
Ono eba.
Onu eba.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Ono eba.
One time.
Jeez. How would we say like it's on the next road?
Would that be onu uzo
Nko.
unkozo?
Yeah.
Okay.
So say it again.
Onu uzo unkozo.
Ono nozo nkozo.
Onu nuzo unkozo. So if we were to say turn left,
That would be lenaka ida.
lenaka ida.
Yeah.
And so for turning right would be lenaka
Naka
iri.
iri. So to break it down, we would say le naka ida. So le is to look, and then naka is your hand, and then which hand you're choosing is ida. It's like almost like as if to fall. So it's like your left hand. So that's how you have to remember it.
And to say to turn right, you say lenaka iri, which is the hand you used to eat. Your right hand.
Exactly. Yeah.
If I was to say it is a long journey, I would say otereaka.
And then for no, it's not a long journey. Otehuaka
Or you could also say
odienso.
So follow the road.
I'll say sorozo ahu.
Soro uzo ahu.
And that means so sorozo is follow the road, and then ahu is like there. Follow the road, ahu. So I would say, Agonna, did you come with a car? Did you come with a whip? I would say, Ijimoto bia.
And I would say ijemoto bia.
Is it Ajim?
Ejim. Okay.
Ejim moto bia. So if I was to say, should I write?
Alright, let's go.
Okay, so I was to say, Agonna, did you come with a whip? I would say, Ijimoto bia.
And I would say ijemoto bia.
No, Ejim.
Oh, ejim. Okay.
Ejim.
One time.
Just speak in your head. Just don't listen to me at all. Just block it out.
Okay.
You say Ejim moto bia.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. So Agonna, if I was to say, did you come with a car? Did you come with a whip? I would say Ijimoto bia.
And I would say ejemoto bia.
Ah. If you want to say various means of transport, you'd say you can take
The car. So bate nime ubo ala. And if I want to say to take the train, I would say bate nime ubo igwe.
And if it's for a bike, you could say were igwe ga. Lastly, if you want to say if you pass this road, you'll see it. You'll say igafecha ozo nkozo igahuya.
Igafecha uzo nkozo igahuya.
Igafecha, which is once you've gone past. Ozo nkozo, so then the road the next one.
The next road.
Igahuya, and igahuya means you will see it.
You will see it.
So thank you for watching. No. How would you wrap up?
Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Okwu ID language lessons. It was interesting and